Howdy everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be replacing the Hunter PGP on Zone 11 with this Hunter i20. So let's get started. The reason why I'm replacing this head is because it has stopped rotating. The gears are broken inside. Yeah, it's not rotating. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and cut my sod out, and we'll continue. All right. So, I got this out. Boy, this head is pretty deep. Let me move the camera closer so you guys can see better. So now I'm going to just dig out and excavate some of the extra dirt with my gardening trowel, just like so. And I'll get fresh dirt after. Okay, so let me just try and unscrew this. All right, here we go. Oh, gee. Yeah, every head in the system that I've ever replaced, except for maybe one, has been really odd there, hard. Okay, it's come out, but I'm trying to get the whole thing. Okay, so I loosened the head a bit with my channel locks, so that was not on there at all. So okay, well, here it is. It's all buried up. Now it's not pointing towards the ground anymore. One nice thing about i20s is if you use your Hunter key, you can switch it off if you use the dial in the center. And I'm getting water now. And that's also another way to sort of adjust the radius, or how far it shoots. You can tune it down that way, or it's good for like a quick nozzle swap, and it keeps the head up pressurized for you. Right now it's doing its preset 180. Right stop didn't matter because I'm just gonna let it go 360 to catch the grass on the other side of the driveway and potentially give Biscuit a bath. So, but I put it there for the future. Say if I wanted to cut it off, it would just be there. And now, since this has a smaller 3.0 nozzle, the rest of the zone works flawlessly. And you can see I'm gonna tune it down just a little bit. That'll be sufficient. Maybe a little more. So I'm just gonna adjust this for a full circle, and it's gonna go a full circle. head-to-head coverage. And there's that one there. And there's this other PGP Ultra up here. Alright guys, so that sums it up for this one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this.